This video will show how to do a restore using Clonezilla. I have previously made a backup using Clonezilla, and I'm going to restore it to this laptop in this video. So I power the computer, and when the Lenovo logo appears, I press Enter to bring up the startup menu. Then I press F12 to bring up the boot menu. Now I select the external hard drive. At this point, I'm going to select a large font so this is more readable. This menu allows me to pick English as the language. Then I'm picking the US keyboard. Now I'm clicking Start Clonezilla. And this says work with disks or partitions, and then use the local device, which is the laptop. Now I'm going to scan for extra drives, which there aren't any, so I won't be scanning very long. I'll hit Control-C to end the scanning process. Okay, now I have to select the drive with the backups on it. That is named SDA2, so I go down here and select SDA2. I don't bother checking the file system. Now I have a directory to pick with the backups in it. This is already the correct backup, so I'm going to tab over to Done. 1 tab, 2 tabs, okay, and select Done. Now I'm going to press Enter. I don't know why it needs that, but it's asking for it. Okay, beginner mode will do just fine. This case, we're going to use Restore Disk to restore the disk from the image. Now I'm going to pick the image I made last time, and I'm going to restore to the internal drive, which is the only one listed. And I'm going to use the partition table in the image, and I will check the image before restoring, sure. And choose the reboot, shutdown, etc. when everything is finished. And one more. Okay, now it's checking the image. I'm going to pause the video here and wait for the image to complete. The scan for the integrity of the image has completed, and we're now ready to do the restore. So I press Y, and Y again, and now it is beginning the restore. Once again, I'm going to pause the video while it does the restore of the big drive. The restore has now completed. I press Enter to reach the next menu, and then I simply pick Power Off and power off the computer, unplug the external hard drive, and boot the new computer.